video, I'm going to unbox the Expressions Vinyl mystery box. If you guys don't know what this is, Expressions Vinyl is a vinyl company that I use online. I basically buy the majority of my vinyl from there, and I buy my transfer tape from there, and I love mystery boxes. If you know me, and in my past videos, I loved unboxing things all the time. It's like Christmas. I love it. So I signed up for the Expressions Vinyl combo box, which gives you the adhesive vinyl and the HTV. I don't even have any kind of heat press or anything like that, but I want to get one. So I figured I may as well stock up, have some available when I get one, which should hopefully be within the next month or two. You know, can't have too much vinyl, in my opinion. Before we get started in today's video, if you guys are new, hey, my name's Liz. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, and also ring your guys' notification bell so you can be notified for all of my future videos. I love all things DIY and crafting and sign making and decorating your home. It has been a huge passion of mine for over a year now, and I cannot wait to share with you guys what vinyl that I got from Expressions Vinyl, and then to see the little projects that I come up with using some of that vinyl afterwards. So if you guys want to see that, then stay tuned. I am going to put up the cost of this box right here on the screen. I believe it's $40, but my mind is escaping me right now and I don't have a way to look it up at the moment. So I am going to have it up right here. Like I said, I believe it's $40 and you're promised $80 worth of product, and you get them every other month. So I'm just going to open mine. So this is for the month of November, which is obviously should be a Christmas themed box. So I have two packets. I have an adhesive packet and I have a HTV packet. So I'm going to go ahead and get into the adhesive packet. So far I can see on the little list that I am getting 9 pieces of vinyl, and then I'm getting 2 sheets of transfer tape from them. The last month in September, I also got transfer tape from them. So, and that was the first month that I had ever done this, so I'm assuming that you always get some sort of transfer tape or something like that to help you. So they give you all the whole list of everything that you're going to get in here, and then also has what your settings should be. So if it should be a vinyl and what blade and the force that you should use, which is pretty cool. So the first one that I got is a really pretty green color. It looks like this, and this is Sizer, if I'm saying that right. Caesar? No, I think it's called Sizer, but I'm not totally sure. But it is just a really pretty green, very Christmassy green. And then I got another one of those, but in the red, just another Christmas red, the traditional colors. And this one is Oracle 631. The next thing I got is this really pretty blue. This is also in the Sizer brand. And in fact, I don't think I've used that brand yet before. I know that I have some of their vinyl. I think it's that brand that I got. I don't know. I bought a different brand besides the Oracle one because I wanted to try it out, and I have yet to do so. So I just got this really pretty blue, green, turquoisey color. The next thing I got, this is pretty. Oh, look at that. It's a glitter. This is in brick red. Oh, actually, this is in, it has the names. This is in totally teal. The red is dark red, and then the green is emerald green. And so this one is in brick red, and this is so pretty. I love the glitter. I love it. I don't know if you can see it as well as I can see it, but it is super gorgeous. I love that. And then I got another one in your traditional green. This one is an Emerald Envy, a really pretty glittery green. And then I got just a normal white, I think. It seems thicker than what I normally use, and it's called Static White, or Static Cling. I'm not sure exactly what that does. I'll have to do some research on it. see exactly what it does. I'll put it up on the screen for you guys so you can read what static cling is. I have no idea, but I got one of those. I got a color change red hot. Does it really change colors? All these different kinds of vinyl that I've never tried before that I'm going to have to learn about. Color change red hot. It's a permanent adhesive, it says. I'm going to have to check that out. See exactly what that means. I'll leave it here on the screen so that you guys can know what these are, because I have no idea. Or if you know, leave it in the comments below and educate me. All right, the next thing I got, oh, this is so cute. I love it. So this is a buffalo plaid medium gray. It's a permanent adhesive. I love buffalo plaid, if you know me. I think this is so pretty and I love the gray. And then you also get a red one. So you get a gray one and a red one, and these are so Christmas, my Christmas color decor style. So I'm really excited to create something with these. I think they're gonna look so cute. I absolutely love this. I'm so excited. So a gray and a red 12 by 12. They are just called buffalo plaid medium bright red and buffalo plaid in gray. And then you get your 2 sheets of transfer tape. I haven't used their sheeted transfer tape like this, and it does have a grid on it, which can also be really nice. And then what I have found is that the adhesive and the HTV packets are typically pretty similar in what you get color-wise. So I'm just gonna pull out the little paper here, and on this one, we're getting 6 12 by 12 sheets, and then we're getting 1 9 by 12 sheet. So first we're getting another glitter. It looks like this, just like the other red one, but this is in a 9 by 12 sheet, and this is HTV. Now I can use this on something else besides just paper or wood or a sign. I can put it on, well, I mean, you can use this on basically anything, but I can use this on a shirt or something cute like that. So I got that is just in the glitter red. I'm getting the Easy Weed in jade. It's a really pretty green teal jade color. This is a 12 by 12 sheet. And then I am getting the Easy Weed matte red. Just another, you know, normal Christmas kind of color. Same with this matte green. This is also from Easy Weed. And then I am getting a buffalo plaid medium in white. So another buffalo plaid. This is so pretty. And then another buffalo plaid in bright red. Just looks like this. Super cute. This is cute. This is in just a pattern HTV. It's in Season's Greetings. How cute is that? It's got trees and gingerbread and snowmen, all sorts of cute little guys on there. So that is so cute. So that is everything that I got. I will have to put on the screen the total for everything for you guys. One thing I have noticed from my previous box is that really the difference is, because I mean, you may be getting an $80 value with the vinyl, but you can go on their website and everything is typically on sale. So really the only difference is probably like the last box I got, I believe that the difference was like $8 going through and purchasing it myself versus ordering the mystery box, which can be, I mean, if you're not going to use these things, can kind of be a little bit of a bummer, but if you like getting things that maybe you typically wouldn't have bought beforehand, or you like being surprised like I do, then this kind of box is probably for you. So I am going to jump into a couple of projects for you using this material so I can show you some ideas of what you could do with this stuff, and yeah, that's about it. Here are the projects that I came up with for these vinyl sheets. So here I am just going to go through and kind of show you an overview of what I do when I'm creating decals. A lot of times I will just use the designs that Cricut already has. It's so much easier to do this than trying to create things your own, or Buying them online. I am a part of the Cricut Design Space monthly subscription service where I get all these images for free. I will create a lot of my own decals, especially for the majority of my videos, but when I want to do something just quick and fast, this is the way I do it. So I started out by making this Let It Snow snow globe design. I ended up changing it the last second, so it's not gonna look exactly like this. The trees will and the snowflakes will, but the Let It Snow portion will be different. So I just go through and design the way that I want it. I'll put it all out so I can get a good image of it and then move on to the next design. Same thing with these stockings. I just get them the way that I want them and separate them so I can make them into different colors, different pieces and layering, and then I just begin to cut it on out. After I go through and get everything cut out, I go through and weed it all. Definitely does take some time, but surprisingly, none of these gave me any issues. This was the first time that I've ever worked with glitter vinyl or with pattern vinyl, and these worked really easily. I didn't have any issues with them whatsoever. So I went through and layered my vinyl. I will say I should have used my wax paper trick to make sure that everything got on there correctly and aligned properly, but I was being really lazy and just putting them on like stickers, so I didn't get them aligned the right way. Should have used my wax paper, but I didn't, so my stockings look a little sad. I'm then taking these two cute little wood pieces that I got from the Dollar Tree, that snow globe and this little house. I started by removing the flowers and the felt leaves, and then I did remove the twine off the snow globe as well. I'm going to take some silver lining chalk paint from Waverly, mix it with a little bit of white chalk paint from Waverly, and paint both of these pieces in that color. I also used my Waverly chalk paint in Truffle to paint the bottom of the snow globe. So I just started by putting everything on transfer tape and began just sticking everything down. The transfer tape that I use is from Expressions Vinyl as well. It's just in their 6-inch clear transfer tape roll. I did end up having to cut a little bit of this decal off just so that it didn't go down into the bottom portion. And I just began layering everything down. One thing I will say, as you can see me struggling to get my vinyl to stick, is that vinyl does not like chalk paint very much. So if you are using chalk paint, my advice would be to put some sort of protective coat down. I even use Mod Podge a lot of times, and that will work a whole lot better. Just having that layer of Mod Podge for the vinyl to stick to, it sticks to that much better than just regular old chalk paint. I'm then going to take some twine, hot glue it to the back, and wrap it around the bottom of my snow globe. I'm going to tie a little jute bow, glue that to the front, and this piece is done. I absolutely love the way that it turned out. You can take a dollar product from the Dollar Tree, paint it, and throw some vinyl on there, and it completely transforms it and makes it a really gorgeous piece. And then for my next project, I'm just taking those stockings and lining them up the way that I want them on the little house. I thought that it would be so cute to have the little glitter stockings and then have them look like they were hanging from something. I just took the words Merry Christmas and put that on the top of my house, and then I'm going to add some twine around the house so the stockings look like they're hanging. I just took some twine and I knotted two ends of it. I added a knot to where it was going to hang from the stocking, and then I added a knot onto the twine that's wrapped around. You can see what I'm doing there. So just cutting off a piece, tying two knots, and then hot gluing that down. And then I am just taking some more twine and tying 3 bows and hot gluing the bows down at the top, trying to cover that knot a little bit. And then I'm going to take this ribbon that I got from Joann's and I'm going to tie it into a little bow and hot glue it to the top. And this is how my little Christmas stocking sign turned out. So I'm going to take these wood rounds. I got these off of Amazon. I got them in a pack of 25, I want to say, and I'm just going to paint these white in my Waverly chalk paint. And then I'm going to take my trees. Somehow I measured these completely wrong, so I ended up having to cut the little trunks off, part of the little trunks. And then I put some jute through the little hole, tied a knot on the bottom, and then began stringing 3 of these wood beads onto the twine. Now this one I ended up with not enough twine, so you could typically just tie a knot at the top to use for your hanger, but I had to use hot glue since I did not have enough twine to tie it in a knot. And I thought these turned out really, really cute, simple, and so easy to do, and it's going to match perfectly with all of my buffalo check Christmas decor.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe, and I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way, but as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas.
And that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're ever interested in any Cricut or vinyl tutorials, definitely let me know in the comments down below. I'd be happy to help out in any way that I can. Don't forget to subscribe before you guys leave. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed these vinyl crafts, and I will see you next time. Bye!
That my love for you is true.